What is a B2B marketing strategy? A B2B marketing strategy targets businesses with tailored, precise campaigns. Using digital channels like social media, SEO, content marketing, and email, it focuses on generating and nurturing leads. The goal? Build lasting relationships by earning trust, solving problems, proving clear ROI. Core elements of a B2B marketing strategy. Effective marketing isn't about shouting the loudest, it's about being where buyers are when they need you. Whether you're a small business or a large enterprise, virtual interaction is essential. How industrial buyers make decisions. What's new? The buyer's journey in industrial markets is no longer linear. Buyers are researching online before even talking to you, and the digital space gives them more independence. There are 3 key stages. Awareness. The buyer has a problem, but doesn't know the solution. Consideration. Now the buyer understands their problem and is comparing options. Show them why your solution is the best fit. Decision. This is the final stage. Buyers need proof case studies, reviews, testimonials to make their decision. Digital self-service. Self-service digital channels play a huge role, with 50% of large B2B purchases being made this way. Buyers want information fast and without hassle.